Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Unbox It. As I've promised, I told you that I'll do a speed check of my new wireless connector of my PC. As you can see, the device is connected to my PC and it's connected. So I'll do the speed check through Okla and let's do. So it's between 8 no it's so the download speed is 8.5 on, as this is not the correct one because I checked with my phone. It's showing that it's 20 Mbps, 20 to 25 Mbps all the time, but for this thing it shows it's 8.5 on. So guys, now I'll be checking the speed through my mobile. So it's connected to the same network. Let's check. It's over 20 Mbps. So huge difference between these, and I don't know, but if you are doing normal tasks in your PC, then you'll be comfortable with that. Otherwise, if you are a gamer, you play lots of online games like PUBG or any other games in online, so that's not for you. So you can clearly see it's 8.56 in desktop and it's 25 Mbps in my mobile. So that's it. I hope you have got an idea about the speed. If you like the video, do share and subscribe to my channel.